I have booted into Bookworm Pup64 PuppyLInux, and we'll be talking about mouse cursors, how to download and how to install them in PuppyLInux. So I'll leave a address to these sites, but the first site we want to go to is this here, and then we'll make a copy, and then we'll go to desktop 1 and fire up Firefox, and then we'll go ahead and we don't need the update, so Control L will highlight the address bar, Control V will copy the address. So this is a site you want to go to, and first I would recommend you go ahead and just left click the PET scan to install it. So it's already downloaded now, so we'll go ahead and close this. We'll minimize it, so, and then we'll open up the rocks, root, and downloads, and then here it is. So we'll go ahead and to install, you just simply left click on a PET file, and then you want to install this. So before you install it, we'll want to take a brief look at the root directory. Control H will bring out the hidden folders. So we want to look at the icons folder, .icons folder. So when you first load up a Bookworm Pup64, you're only going to have this five cursors, but actually 4, because this is not a mouse cursor. So to look at them, you can go ahead and LX terminal, and then type in PCUR. Puppy cursor, so PCUR, and that's going to bring up all the choices that you have. So you can go ahead and we'll just turn this into black cursor. You just go ahead and apply, and then it turns into black. So that's how you change the cursor. But we'll go ahead and install the cursor PET file, so we will install it, and you can see it populates many more. So it's already done, and then we'll close this now, and then we will open up the LX terminal again, PCUR, and then now we'll go ahead and use a Celtic preview, which is much larger and easier to see. So here it is. So that's the first step. But I think that what we may want to do is just go back to the Firefox, that site, because not only does it have Control H will bring out the history, so we'll just go back to the site. We'll dismiss this. And then there is another very helpful link down here. So more cursors can be found here. So we'll just click on that. And then you have a cursor side where it's even if you use other Linux, you can use these cursors. So we'll go to cursors here, and then we'll go to the rating, and then see we can learn how to install a cursor in PuppyLInux using this site. So let's just go ahead and see what this looks like. Volantes cursors. So we'll click on it, and then it looks pretty nice, and we'll go to the files, and then you can go ahead dark version and light version. So we'll go ahead and try the dark version and click on it and just wait a couple seconds here, and then it's down, and then we're downloading it now. It's already downloaded now. Okay, so we'll go ahead and so this is how you basically download a mouse cursor, and we'll go ahead and exit out of that, and rocks filer, and then minus, and then go to downloads folder again. Now this is the Volantis cursor, so we want to left click and then use p-extract is fine, and we'll extract it. So this is the Volantis cursors, so we can see what's in it, and we can go ahead and back out again. What we want to do is put that into minus Control H into the icons folder. So all we want to do is just drag this over here, icons, and then copy. Okay. Now we'll take a brief look at here is Volantis is right here. Okay. So once you verify that you know that's in there, you can go ahead and PCUR again, and then you can go ahead and click this just to alphabetize the list and go all the way down to Volantis, and here is the cursor, and then we'll apply it. So now you can see the cursor has changed. So that's how you download a cursor generally from a website. So let's just go back to the other site that I have earmarked, and here's a Barry's site. So here we can go ahead and take a look at another site. This has icon, a cursor that I like, so we'll copy it and then go back to this first one again. We'll close everything, and then we'll fire up Firefox again, and then we'll dismiss this, and then we'll go ahead and Control L and then Control V. And then here is a site, and I'll leave a link. And I particularly like this. I saw this cursor in Linux Mint, and I think that's very nice. So again, it's strictly for PuppyLInux. So you can go ahead and click here, and it's downloaded already. And we'll go ahead and close this again, and then we'll go to rocks, minus downloads, and then this is the X cursor dark V1. So again, you just want to click it and then install. It's already installed, and then we want to just go ahead and start up LX terminal, PCUR again. And then there's a Volantis is the one that we're using, but we're looking, so we'll just go ahead and alphabetize again, something to do with the black. So here it is, dark V1, and then apply, and I like this much better. So that's basically how you can go ahead and download from the regular Linux website, and then also using a PET scan from PuppyLInux forum.